G'day guys, Wayne and Judy here from Down Under. One of the questions we get is, a lot of people ask us about these super U-Butte marvellous little hand machines. Little battery jobs, or you can get a little 6-volt and plug them in. So you can see, even going back to probably the 80s, so you can see this one, nearly $40, made in China. Do they work? Yes. Are they built for heavy duty? I would say no. So you actually have a look at the mechanism in there, and you can see what drives it is this tiny little cog in here. And you can see it's very, very plastic. So it's really only going to be as strong as that cog is, and you can see the main cog around it is pretty average too. So it runs off full batteries. So you can have a look at this one. So how does that sew? You've got a nice little chain stitch there. So that one, does it work? Yes, it does. The thing you've got to watch is your tension. So your tension with these things are very important. But then you have a look at this early model. This is the old Sowette, and this one has no feed dogs. So as you push it down, each time you pull it up, you actually pull the fabric through. And does this work? Extremely well. So these do the job. I personally think you're better off getting a small hand crank machine or a domestic machine, and go with that. But yes, these do the job. They're only for very, very light sewing. Some recommend that you'll do heavy duty. Again, I question that. But just for doing the job at home and things like that, I would say they're probably quite a novelty little thing. So happy sewing, everyone. These have been around for a long time, and if you get them, I wish you luck with it. So good luck with it all. It's Wayne and Judy from Down Under, signing off.